Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Right now, inside your mouth, hundreds of bacteria are active, and some of them are constantly releasing a foul smelling gas called VSCs, Volatile Sulfur Compounds. These bacteria break down leftover food particles, dead cells, and proteins, and during that process, they release sulfur based gases. These gases are the main reason your breath smells bad. This is the real cause of bad breath. Not garlic, not coffee, not just morning breath. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Your nose has already adapted to it. So you don't notice, but others do. Bad breath is not random. And in most cases, it's not coming from your stomach. It's coming from your mouth, especially the back of your tongue. That rough surface traps food particles, dead cells, and bacteria, forming a sticky layer called biofilm. This becomes a factory for odor-producing gases. These gases are mainly produced by anaerobic bacteria, the bacteria that thrive in low oxygen areas, such as the back of your tongue, between your gums, under plaque buildup. These areas are warm, moist, and hard to clean, making them the perfect breeding ground. Why they keep coming back? Toothbrush cleans your teeth but barely touches this area. Brushing gives temporary freshness, but within hours, bacteria start producing odor again because the root cause is still untouched. So the goal is not just cleaning, it's controlling the environment inside your mouth. Even after brushing, VSC gases return quickly because bacteria remain hidden in deeper areas. Food particles keep feeding them. Dry mouth reduces natural cleaning with saliva. So within a few hours, the gas production starts again. Your tongue's rough surface acts like a bacteria sponge. It traps proteins and debris which bacteria then break down into VSCs. That's why tongue cleaning is often more important than brushing alone for fresh breath. These gases don't just smell bad, they can also irritate your gums over time and contribute to oral health issues if not controlled. Think of it like this. Your mouth has tiny factories, and VSCs are the waste gas they release. If you don't clean those factories properly, the gas keeps building up.
There are few daily habits that actually change your breath. Number 1. Clean the tongue, non-negotiable. Your tongue is the main source of odor. A large portion of bad-smelling gases come from tongue coating. Use a metal tongue scraper and gently clean from back to front. This removes the layer where bacteria grow the most. Number 2. Stop feeding the bacteria. Sugary mints and gums don't solve the problem. They feed it. Instead, use natural antibacterial support. Clove contains eugenol, which helps reduce bacteria and soothe gums. Chew 1 clove after meals for 2-3 minutes. Number 3. Hydration controls everything. Saliva is your natural mouth cleanser. It washes away bacteria and neutralizes their waste. But when your mouth is dry, bacteria multiply faster. Drink water regularly. A hydrated mouth is a fresher mouth. Instead of complex or chemical-based mouthwashes, you can use simple, effective options that actually support your mouth's natural balance. First solution: salt water, healing plus bacteria control. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Swish for 30 seconds and gargle for another 15-20 seconds. Salt helps reduce bacteria, supports gum health, and balances the mouth environment. Second solution: lemon water, freshness plus saliva boost. Add 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice and a pinch of salt to a glass of water. This stimulates saliva production, which naturally cleans your mouth. More saliva means less odor. Use in moderation if you have sensitive teeth. Third solution: clove water, deep antibacterial action. Boil 2 to 3 cloves in water, let it cool to warm and strain. Take a sip of the clove water. Swish it around your mouth for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure it reaches back of the tongue, gums, inner cheeks. Gargle lightly for 10 to 15 seconds. Spit it out, do not swallow. Use once or twice daily, preferably after brushing or after meals. This creates a natural antibacterial rinse that targets odor-causing bacteria. Unlike strong chemical rinses, it works gently while supporting your mouth's natural balance.
Use any one of these solutions once or twice daily. Always prepare fresh. Important safety points. Don't overuse acidic rinses like lemon. Avoid using on open sores or ulcers. If you have sensitive gums, be gentle. These are supportive habits, not instant cures. If bad breath continues even after 2 to 3 weeks of proper hygiene and care, don't ignore it. It could be due to gum disease, cavities, tonsil stones. In that case, professional dental care is necessary. Bad breath is not just about brushing. It's about what's happening inside your mouth every day. When you control the bacteria, everything changes because real freshness doesn't come from strong flavors. It comes from fixing the root cause. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Healthy Natural Remedies for more such eye-opening videos. Stay healthy, stay strong. God bless you.